question. Do you want to present yourself confidently and fearlessly from stage? Or do you want your audience to listen to you carefully from beginning to end? Or do you really desire to captivate people towards you, persuade your audience towards you every time you speak in public? If your answer is yes, then I have a mind-boggling opportunity for you. I am conducting free public speaking masterclass to wow your audience on 2nd April. This is author Nayan Chaudhary and I am International Public Speaking Mentor and CEO of ANC Transformation. And so far I have trained more than 15,000 corporate professionals and business leaders from 50 plus countries to speak confidently and fearlessly from stage. I am also the author of various books. Advanced Communication Skills and Becoming a Magnetic Public Speaker is one of them. And I am here to help you to become a magnetic, captivating, charismatic and a confident public speaker. So if you want to become a powerful speaker with great voice, with great charisma, with great body language, with great influence so that you can grow your career, generate more money, create an impact in society, then this workshop is just for you. All you have to do is just check out the description, know what exactly you will be getting in this workshop, what mind-blowing bonuses you will be getting in the workshop, and connect with me on WhatsApp community, and I'll see you live in the workshop.